Today we're featuring a 2008 Audi TT 2.0 Turbo. It's got 83,000 miles on it. It's this really nice jet black in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around. Go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks really nice through here, no issues, no problems. It is a convertible. Alright, it's got the nice black top on it. It's like the black cloth top. Everything going around the back of the vehicle is in good shape. Just a small little nick right here in the back. Everything else looks really good. Go way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Just notice just a little ding right here in the body line of the car. Okay, and it does have 83,000 miles on it, so this is to be expected. Some scratches here and scratches there. Couple of paint chips on the hood. One there and there. Another one there. Real minor stuff though. It does have 83,000 miles. It is a 2008. So like I said, that's going to be expected. A little wear and tear on the vehicle. But it will be priced right. It will be priced to sell. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. I'm going to go ahead and give you a look inside the Audi, the top down. Okay, it's got this really nice gray suede with the leather trim. Okay, everything seems to be in really good shape. I'll get in there a little closer in a second. Just wanted to kind of give you a bird's eye view of what it looked like without the top up. Alright, and here's the cloth top. It's in good shape. Okay, and I'll get it up for you and let you see the whole thing in just a second. We're going to open up the door here. Nice two-tone, alright, door panel with the suede insert right here. Really nice. Okay, everything's in good shape there. It's got the beige seating, like I said earlier, leather trim with the suede insert. Little wrinkle right here in the leather, not bad, real minor. Okay, the rest of the seat looks really good. Little storage compartment here in the middle. Okay, passenger seat looks really good. It does come with 2 keyless fobs. Got your power outlet there and auxiliary. All right, it is a power convertible top. Alright, automatic transmission, heated seats, CD player. Does have a leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls. Alright, and also has the paddle shifters. There's one here. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 83,632 miles. Alright, now I've got the Audi fired up. I was going to go ahead and show you the console, climate control, and the CD player again. It does have heated seats, okay? And then it also, go ahead and get that turned on for you there. It does have 6-disc CD changer as well, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and show you the convertible top. Here's your button for your convertible top. Alright, everything runs really smoothly with that. I'll go ahead and give you just a little example just so you can see. You just pull the top up, or the button. Okay, as you can see, top goes back nice and smooth. No problems at all with the convertible top. Okay, go ahead and give you a look at the trunk space on the Audi. The top is up. Alright, so this is all the trunk space you're going to get. But there is a pretty decent amount of it. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth on it there. Okay, easily fit a couple of suitcases in there, no problem. The carpet in here looks really good. Alright, we'll go ahead and shut that. Everything works real good with the trunk, no problem there. Go ahead and walk over here to the passenger side of the vehicle. Alright, power passenger seat. Once again, that nice suede insert there with the leather trim. Alright, everything looks really good with the leather on this side, no issues. Door panel's in good shape over here. Okay, it's got that nice suede insert here. Everything looking good there. It is equipped with 18-inch alloys. Okay, alloys are in good shape. Tires are in good shape. A lot of depth still left on the tread there. Alright, everything's looking really good. That was just a little bit of wax left over from them waxing it in detail. Alright, but the tires look really good. Everything's in great shape. Go ahead and give you a look up here under the under the hood. Okay, got that 2.0 turbo there. Everything looks like it's in great shape. Alright guys, once again, this is a 2008 Audi TT 2.0 turbo. It's got 83,000 miles on it. Alright, it's got a couple of scratches, one small ding in the door line, or the body line. Alright, but that's to be expected. It's got 83,000 miles on it. It's an 08. Alright, so to be priced accordingly. Alright, come down, check it out. Other than this exterior, the inside is fantastic. It's been well maintained, looks great. Alright, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.